Hi folks, Rick Berube here, Vice President of Sales for Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices of Arizona, California, and Nevada. And today I want to talk to you. Look, we are almost at the end of May. 5 months of the year, 7 in front of you. So here are 6 questions to consider this time of year. Number 1 is, what is my desired outcome? Not just in your business, in your life, in your health, but what is my desired outcome? You always need to be asking yourself that question. Number 2 is, be honest with yourself. Today, I think it's May 21st. Am I really where I want to be this time of year? If not, what changes am I going to make? Okay, third question is, what have I not tried so far this year that I said I would? What have I not tried so far this? Like if I'm calling my SOI and I'm being consistent, but I've never called FSBOs, try something new. Okay, here's my favorite Tony Robbins question. Do I need more resources or do I need to get more resourceful? Meaning that you don't need to spend more money most of the time. You just got to start thinking outside the box a little bit. You know, like getting into great conversations with your sphere of influence, calling expired listings or for sale by owners, doing some just listed and just solds around your current sales and listings. Great way to get more resourceful in today's market. Okay, so after those 4 questions, the fifth one would be, what can I commit to? What new commitments or recommitments that I haven't been doing do I need to do? And the last question, my favorite, is what would happen to my life if I actually achieved my goal this year? Hopefully that thought excites you. If not, maybe you need to raise your goals slightly. See you guys soon. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks for your time.